Don't forget to share, like, comment. Oh, God, how many times I'm going to say that? Hey, YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. So, today I have Miss
Naira.
I have Naira back again today, y'all. So, we just wanted to jump on here and show y'all real quick what we bought from the mall today. So, show them what you got.
A puppet.
And what does your puppet do? And she picked out the Mickey Mouse puppet because she was being very good today. So that's what she bought. And then also the security guard gave her
this fake candy cane. You can do this and it can light up loud. The light can
change it again. So it have different settings.
And in the dark it gets
really bright.
Yeah, more bright.
Good job. Okay, and then also we
TT went back to the Morphe store, guys.
And we got a lot of good treats. And show them what you got on your eyes. Okay, y'all, so Naira had to run out for a little bit, so I'm back to do this by myself now. So yesterday I was talking about these 3 products from Morphe that I was gonna get at Ulta, put them back, then I was gonna get them yesterday at Morphe, and I put them back again, and I slept on it. I'm like, I don't know why I just didn't buy it. So I went back today and I got those 3 products. So I bought the Definer Eyebrow Pencil in the shade Chocolate Mousse, and it looks like this. And I also got the Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Java, and then I got the brow pomade, or I say brow cream, in the color Chocolate Mousse. So this is how the pomade look, and that's in the shade Chocolate Mousse. So you get 3.5 grams and 0.12 ounces of the pomade, and then you get 0.3 ounces of product in your brow pencils. So the Chocolate Mousse, it have a little spoolie on one end, which is nice. It looked like one of those strong spoolies. So it looked like one of those strong spoolies you get on one end, and the other end looks like this, kind of like a triangle shape. I don't have on my glasses, y'all. Don't know if you can see that, but I'm very intrigued about this pencil. This one is sharp like a, this is the this is in the color Java. What is this called? The Micro Brow Pencil. So I'm assuming this is to like make eyebrow hairs, and it also have that same kind of spoolie. So these were, I believe, $6, and it was 30% off that. So, and that was, I believe, for all the products. If I have the information wrong, y'all, I'm so sorry, but I'm gonna link it below. So I also picked up 2 eyeliner brushes. I have the one that's bent. I have the Morphe M217 brush. So that's the one that's bent. And the other one is the Morphe M250-0 brush. So they just look like that. And the reason that I bought these 2, I want to start doing like the graphic line that everybody doing. Cause y'all, I want to jump on the bandwagon too, okay? So I also picked up one of the Suva Beauty, Lord, what is called? I also picked up a Suva Beauty Hydra Liner, and it looked like this. I just took it out the packaging. This one is in the color Freezy, and it's a matte Hydra Liner. Okay, so it is a, I believe this is a water-based, a water-activated eyeliner. I think that's what they told me in the store. Yeah, you have to put water on this for it to work. Now I just saw this one in the store. So this one is the Vibrant Spark Metallic Eyeshadow Trio. And this is by Morphe. And y'all, I don't own any eyeshadows like these. And sometimes I be wanting to do like pink looks, and I don't have like the right, sometimes I just don't have the right tone of pink that I'm going for. And this is what actually made me buy this, because I thought it was this one alone by itself, but then I saw it came with 2 more. So I'm just gonna swatch these so you can see how they look. And these are liquid eyeshadows, y'all. So this is what they look like. They all are like duochromes, and they're really, really pretty. Okay, so we have Saucy up top. This one here is called Velocity, and then Blitz is this one right here. That's Blitz. But y'all, those are, you know, just 3 products that I saw. Well, 1 product that I saw at the last minute, and I was like, let me go ahead and try this out. And then I also grabbed 2 more of the colored P. Louise bases. So I got the purple and green, and y'all, these were 2 for $25. So that's how those look. Y'all already know my excitement from yesterday when I bought the blue one. I'm just excited, y'all, because I'm about to be creating, like, for real. Oh, and I didn't even show y'all, because yes, there may be a lot of people who don't know nothing about P. Louise. So this is how they look. These are the colored bases. Now on P. Louise website, y'all, they do have other colors. These just some of the pastel shades that Morphe carry. I did see the orange one, and I saw a pink one, which I really should have got the pink one over the purple, because I could have mixed the pink and the blue to make purple. So that's just something to keep in mind if you want to buy some of them. Think about like what colors you should get that you can mix to make other colors. So that was my bad, y'all, because I was not thinking. I'm about to really be doing some nice looks with this. Oh, and one more thing, I did want to show y'all what came in the mail the other day. So I did already open this, y'all, but I did not swatch it. My Be Perfect Carnival XL Pro palette came in the mail a couple days ago. I have not even had time to play with this at all, y'all. So this is how the palette look, just like the packaging. So it do have a very nice size mirror, and these are the shades. So it's very, very nice. I'm just gonna swatch like 3 of them for now. Oh, we got, this one is Ecstasy. I didn't even read the other names, but yes, that's what I'm talking about. I like a lime that shows up, and that's with no product under my hand. We have the pink, and we have this like blue shade, and then we have a yellow, which is very nice. So y'all know what? Let me just experiment real quick. I'm gonna put, just for my own curiosity, I'm gonna put some of Ecstasy, that green shade. I'm gonna put a little bit of that over this base that's already on my hand. Look at that, y'all. Okay, that's gonna be really, really nice on my eyes. Yes, that's gonna be really, really nice. So y'all, that's just a few of my recent purchases, and like I said, I am working on content, honey. Like, I got this new makeup. Sometimes I just feel like buying makeup. Like, I'll go through a phase where I don't buy makeup for a long time, and then I'll start back buying makeup, and I get inspired. And you know, it's terrible being that way, because that makes me very inconsistent and like uploading for you guys, and that's not really right. It's not fair, and I really need to work on that, which I am really working on that. So keep your eyes peeled. I am working on new stuff as we speak. Let me know what looks you might want to see. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on different looks that I post. And y'all, I'm coming with it. Like, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe. Leave me some comments down below. Follow me on Instagram at IamTTLogan, and tell your friends to become my friends so we can all be friends.